A shares typically refer to a type of common or ordinary shares issued by a Chinese company listed on the mainland Chinese stock exchanges, primarily the Shanghai Stock Exchange, SZSE, and the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, SZSE. These shares are denominated in Chinese yuan, CNY, and are traded by domestic investors within China. A shares are primarily available for purchase by mainland Chinese citizens and certain qualified institutional investors. Here are some key characteristics and points about A shares. 1. Restrictions on foreign ownership. Historically, A shares were primarily restricted from being traded by foreign investors due to regulatory barriers and capital controls imposed by the Chinese government. However, in recent years, China has gradually opened up its capital markets to foreign investors through various channels, such as the Qualified Foreign Institutional Investor, QFII, and the Renminbi Qualified Foreign Institutional Investor, RQFII programs. 2. Listing requirements. Chinese companies seeking to list their shares on the mainland stock exchanges must meet certain listing requirements set by the China Securities Regulatory Commission, CSRC. These requirements include factors such as profitability, capitalization, corporate governance standards, and compliance with Chinese accounting standards. 3. Market capitalization. The Shanghai and Shenzhen Stock Exchanges are among the largest stock exchanges globally by market capitalization. A shares represent a significant portion of the total market capitalization on these exchanges, providing investors with exposure to various sectors of the Chinese economy, including technology, finance, consumer goods, and manufacturing. 4. Volatility and regulation. A shares can be subject to high levels of volatility due to factors such as government policies, economic conditions, and regulatory changes in China. Additionally, the Chinese government maintains strict control over the stock markets and may intervene to stabilize prices or prevent excessive speculation. 5. Investor access. Foreign investors looking to invest in A shares can do so through various channels, including Qualified Foreign Institutional Investor, QFII, Renminbi Qualified Foreign Institutional Investor, RQFII, and Stock Connect programs. These channels allow qualified foreign investors to access the mainland Chinese stock markets and invest in A shares within specified quotas and regulatory frameworks. Overall, A shares represent an important segment of the Chinese stock market and offer investors opportunities for diversification and exposure to China's dynamic economy. However, investing in A shares also comes with unique risks and challenges, including regulatory uncertainty and currency exchange rate fluctuations. Investors interested in A shares should conduct thorough research and consider seeking advice from financial professionals familiar with the Chinese market.